Hey, good morning, Bring a Trailer. We're gonna do a cold start video. I haven't driven this truck in a few weeks, but of course I wanna show just how clean it is. It's got all the original stamps and marking, original VIN tag or build tag, I guess that is there. And look how clean it is. And I didn't dry ice clean this truck. Original bottle jack there. A little bit of pollen on it. Original bottle jack there. I mean, really, to find one in this type of condition is just super hard to find. Original lug wrench there. But yeah, just pretty incredible. So engine's totally cold. Like I said, I haven't driven it by a week or two. We've all heard that buzz before. Quick turn of the starts right up every time. Runs great. Gonna do a driving video. But yeah, thanks for watching.